found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still.
What's good, YouTube? It's your girl Cherie, and I'm back for another video. Today I'm just going to be doing a wash day process, I guess. And I've already started the pre-wash portion of it. I've applied some Do Grow hot oil treatment. I hope you can see it, along with a hair mask. And I'll be leaving that in for maybe about 30 minutes. And once it's time for me to wash it out, I will be back. Hey guys, so I just actually finished washing my hair, and I wrap my hair with a t-shirt instead of a towel because the towel dries it out. But today I'm actually gonna try to do a roller set on natural hair. So I saw a tutorial. I'm just gonna follow along. I will be using just a little bit of Jamaican black castor oil. I don't know if you can see that, by Shea Moisture. And I will also be using Care Foam Wrap Setting Lotion. So it's still wet. I'm gonna dampen it out just a little bit more, and then I'll start the rolling process. I will be back when I get started with that. Okay guys, so I'm back. I just wrung the t-shirt out a little bit to dry my hair out a little. Let me stop this music. I don't want those problems. Okay. So it's not dry, but it's not like dripping wet. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started with the process. This is my first time using this black Jamaican castor oil, but another YouTuber used it and her roller set turned out really cute. Actually got my idea from her, Mrs. Ayana, I believe her name is. Ayana, A-I-Y-A-N-A. And she did a really good job. Oh, it's like thick and sticky. I don't like that. I'm gonna just pour some in my hand. Okay, so I'm only using that much. Can you see it? But it's really, really thick. I'm just gonna get it all over. And I will do one on camera. I really don't know what I'm doing, so this is an experiment. I'm gonna go take them out of the package. So I got jumbo, which is the largest size, and I ordered them off of eBay. They're made by Looks. I don't know if that's like a good company or if it's some generic shit, but ooh. Okay. I thought I detangled my hair. I guess I didn't do enough. I don't know how much hair actually should go into the roller. And I only have 3 packs of 6. So hopefully that will be enough. I think I have to make an actual part because I don't want any of those little hairs pulling. Okay. Fingers crossed. I didn't use any type of leave-in or anything. I literally just washed and blotted my hair dry with the t-shirt. So I hope that's enough. Oh, duh, I forgot to use the mousse. Wait, she didn't. I think another YouTuber actually used mousse. This might not be a good idea. The last time I tried to style with mousse, it didn't turn out right. So maybe I'll just do it on this one and do a comparison, and then I'll know better for next time. But I don't know if my hair is wet enough because it seems like it should be like pulling it really straight. And you see how it's still wavy? Yeah, I'm not liking that. I'm gonna use a smaller piece. And the mirror is behind the camera, so. Okay, hopefully this will give me a better turnout since it's a smaller amount of hair. But that would mean I would need to use a million rollers, which I just don't have. Okay. And my hair is always parted off to one side because I like to cover my forehead. So I'll be rolling it that way as well. Okay. No, it's still not tight. Still not tight. Okay, so I'll just be doing this all over. I'll record it on mute and I'll speed it up just so you can see the process. Fingers crossed. Okay guys, I'm back, and as you can see, I don't have any rollers. So I made an attempt. In fact, I made several attempts to do the roller set, and just didn't agree with me. Like, it's so much work, and I did maybe about 3 or 4 curls, and I had to do like maybe 4 attempts each time, and it still didn't look like I was doing it right. So I gave up because it was really hurting my arms, and it's just not. Yeah, I'll try it another time. But since I mentioned in my previous video that I would do the Instyler, I'm actually going to do that. I actually already have it on. This is the rotating, I think it's called Max, and it rotates both ways. And it has 4 lights. I usually just use 3 because this thing gets super hot. Just look at the smoke. So it gets really, really hot. And I know a lot of people don't like to use it. It's like big and bulky, and it's kind of heavy. So I know it gives people a hard time. I feel like this is crooked, but I'm gonna show how I use it, and it works for me. I mean, I like it. It straightens my hair really good, and I'll show you. Okay, so first I actually turn the barrel upside down because this side is the hottest part of the iron. And so I do that for straightening. Oh, I have too much hair. Okay. Woo! Hot. So that straightens it. And then I just like do a bump at the bottom of each curl. And it's just going to make it like a real loose curl. But it'll be really straight. And this is when I want my hair bone straight. I use this because this thing right here, I don't have any other products in my hair other than what I show in the beginning of the video. So it's the Jamaican black castor oil. And I only put mousse on like this side. I don't know if the curlers are going to do something to the mousse. But see how it gets so straight so fast? That's one pass. And then curl. And so I don't have to use tiny pieces of hair for it to get straight, which is a plus because nobody wants to curl their hair all day. But you can already see the difference. I mean, it's a huge difference. So I'll do one more on camera, and then I will go ahead and get the rest of my hair done, and I'll come back and show you guys the finished product. Okay, so this is going to be the 3rd one, and I was trying to get up closer so you can actually see. And this is the last one I'll do on camera, and when I come back, I'll show the finished product. So this is how much hair I'm using on this one. And again, the barrel upside down. And see, the barrel is going the wrong way. So for this, you click it twice, and it rotates in the other direction. And you can just kind of tell by the way that it pulls your hair whether or not you have it going the right way. So one last piece. And so that's my final one that I'll be doing on camera. Just wanted to show you guys the difference. Clearly you can see like this side. Ooh, this side looks crazy. I almost had a situation. Okay, this side looks crazy, and then this side looks so like a sideways mullet. Business on this side, party over here. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish everything. When I come back, you'll see how much of a good job it does. Okay, so I'm back and I'm on my final curl. I wanted to do it on camera just because it's right in the front of my head and you should be able to see it really good. So let me maybe get closer. And so I use the barrel first on this side. And I go kind of slow down just to make sure. And then I just twist it to the end. And again, it's just loose. And that is my final curl. As you can see, it's like really straight. Let me maybe bring this down some. Okay, yeah. Straight, almost looks stringy, but by tomorrow, it won't look like that anymore. It'll be big. And I'll try to show the back to show how the curls are just like really, really loose. And don't mind me if my hair is uneven. I haven't been to the salon in a while like most of you. But hopefully you can see the end of the... So yeah. Oh. Wait, can you? Okay, yeah. So this is my final results. And then once I wrap my hair up tomorrow and comb it back, well, once I wrap it up for the night and comb it down in the morning, it'll still have like a little bump at the ends and it won't be so straight maybe. But yeah, this is what I did with the Instyler. Again, it's like barely curled at the ends, but enough that it doesn't just look straight. And I hope you guys like the video. So like, comment, subscribe, don't forget, and ring the post notification bell if you would like to receive alerts. I'm gonna try to be more consistent. I'm gonna try to come up with more ideas. In the meantime, if you guys think of anything, please feel free to comment, and hopefully you guys will see me again soon. Bye now.